Bella, Suon, and Marcia. Good boys, let's cycle down the front. Sit in the front, sit in the back. Allow them to drop items. No, Marcia, boys. Left, right, and back. Good boy. At may pa-high-five siya. Kay Kuya mo sa ilo. High-five to guys, high-five. Uy, hindi mo sa high-five ulit. And zero. Hindi lang yan, guys. Si Barak ay napakalambing din. Alam niyo ba, napaka-sweet ito ni Barak. And ito yung gusto ni Kuya Sahin. Tingnan niyo gano'n. Barak! Kiss na sa Kuya Sahin sa cheek. Isang beses lang. Wow! Parang nag-binig Kuya Sahin. Isa pa ba? Isa pa? Isa pa daw Kuya Sahin. Ay, ito talaga yung gusto ni Kuya Sahin, no? Barak! Kiss to Kuya Sahin pero hindi na sa cheeks. Saan gusto natin guys? Babe, wala Davis, Michael Jackson, boy, tama na baka wala siya ng table boy. And guys, hindi natin matatawag na multi-talented star sa Apollo kung iisa natin yung talent. He also asked kung umaarte dito si Apollo, pag-provincial na yung aktingan yung pang-kukumartin. Tignan nyo to. No, Apollo, what do we do with Christy A. Predator? May agad sa taas, pero gagawin natin. Kaya siya guys. So that is their natural reaction, guys. They are doing that in the world to fool their predator. So nagpapapay-pantayan sila. So isa pa ba? Isa pa? Isa pa daw Apollo na Apollo. Bumalik yung Agila boy. Ano gagawin natin? Ayan siya guys. Good. Magpalakpakan naman natin sa Apollo. Sa Apollo. Nakakadramatic na talaga. At boy, di ba? And to the kids out there, or maybe sa ating mga adults who still don't know how to ride a bicycle, natin kawalan mo this morning. Tuturuan din tayo ni Jumbo how to ride a scooter. Marunong yung scooter na Jumbo. Ayan, sakay ulit boy. And sigan. O daan-daan, tulos yung tempo natin. And para lang good boy. As you can see guys, even our animals love to help our Mother Nature. We can also do our part by the way to reduce, recycle, and repurpose, or some alternative ways for our transportation. Now that's all for Jumbo, guys. Palakpakan naman natin sila. At syempre, ang kanyang bombing trainer, na si Kuya Boy. Thank you so much to the both of you. Now guys, here in Davao Capital Park in Zoo, we have 4 species of cactus. First is the sulfur. So jumps up there, hanging from a bunch. Palakpakan naman yung tayo guys. And now, si Benji mo yung lang hindi sa kako. Okay, may your attention again. So right side naman. Ito na po, si Uno, the older brother of Teddy. Now guys, alam naman mga kabang Palawan Burgas, they are endemic here in the Philippines. Meaning, dito lang sila sa Philippines nakita, particularly sa Palawan. Now the reason that there is bear in their name because they can stand up using their 2 hind legs. Kaya na po, pinapakita ng Uno. No, thank you so much Uno. And siyempre si Ted na rin. Now guys, fun fact about Palawan Burgas, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Yes po, amoy popcorn yung pupo nila. And then, omnivore sila. Ibig sabihin, kumakain sila ng gulay, prutas at karne. Kaya umaga sila makain kay Richie. Anong marunong kay Richie?